In this tutorial, I am going to show you some of the features in the global navigation within Canvas. So the very first thing is these account settings up here on the top left of your screen. So global navigation includes all of the things on this gray bar. So the very first thing is account settings. So some of the things that you'll want to pay attention to is notifications. Notifications are going to allow you to decide how often you want to be notified when different activities in Canvas happen. And there's a lot of different choices here. When you click on any of these icons under email or push notification, it is going to allow you to choose between notify immediately, daily summary, weekly summary, or turning notifications off. For push notification, it's going to ask if you want it to notify you immediately or to turn them off altogether. Now, you may set these at the beginning and decide over time that you want to change them. That is fine. You can change your notifications at any time. Students and observers will also be able to change their notification settings. The next down is files. Files are different documents, PDFs that you want to have access to in Canvas that you can upload. You can also organize things by folder as well. Settings are going to allow you to upload email addresses and devices that you can push notifications to. You will also want to register your Google Drive down here under Web Services. So Google Drive will show up under Other Services initially, and then you will click on that and authorize it. And once it's authorized, then you should be able to connect with your Google Drive within Canvas. Another important settings is under here where it says edit settings. It is going to allow you to select your personal pronouns. It will also let you select your language. So this is an important thing for you to be able to let parents know, is that if they want their Canvas observer account to read in a different language, that is where they will change that. Always make sure you click on update settings once you have made those changes. So if you want to download submissions, so if students have sent you their assignments and you want to download them, you can do that right here from your account settings under download submissions. You also can pair with an observer from this site. So that will allow observers, also known as parents or guardians, to connect with your course, and that will last for about 7 days or after it's been used once. And so this code will generate a new series of numbers and letters after that 7-day period. If you want to download course content, you are able to download that from this particular button that says download course content. ePortfolios is a place for students to be able to collect and organize their submissions of work for a particular class. This is not something that I would worry about at the beginning, but it's something to know is there if you want to have your students keep ePortfolios in your class in the future. Shared content is a place where people are going to share content with you. So for instance, if another teacher sent you a module and they wanted to share that module with you, they could share it and then it would appear in your account under shared content. And once it appears here, you will have the opportunity to either preview, import, or remove it altogether. QR for mobile login is how you are going to be able to share a QR code so other people can access your course through their phone. So for instance, if you wanted to have your course be available on your phone app, this is where you would scan that code to be able to have it connect with your phone app. And then global announcements. If you received an announcement from either your school building or from the district office, and maybe you click the X to X out of it and then you wonder where they went and you want to refer back to it later, this is where they're all going to be located. So you'll be able to find them under global announcements in your account settings.